Today's recording is to ask and explain what really happened today, and the most important question, why it happened today. So, let me share on. Let me share what exactly happened today, and we need to look at today with reference to what happened on Tuesday. Wednesday was Ganpati, so bank holiday. So something happened on Tuesday and it was followed up today, which is on Thursday. So I'm going to share why these two have to be taken together and also why we need to consider Dow Jones with what happened with the Indian market. So let's have a look. So this particular this particular day is on Monday, total sideways. So there was a gap down from Friday. There was a gap down opening on Monday. It came down, it hit the support, did not go below the support of 38,000, stayed above 38,250, and it didn't do much on Monday. However, on Tuesday, the market opened up positive 400. Then from positive 400, it closed on positive 1,200. So it shot up from 38,500. It closed at 39,500. So now this is very important. This was Tuesday. So on Tuesday, 100% guaranteed. Traders, pro investors, everybody who took the options on Tuesday and they've seen the market go up by plus 1,000 points, I am quite sure those people did not book profits or only booked partial profits on Tuesday, not full profit. So the meaning was they possibly thought that the market would have a gap up opening on Thursday. So suppose you buy something on Tuesday and if it has a gap up opening on Thursday, it would give amazing profits to those guys. That's why those people did not book profits and they are quite big. So now what happened? Why is it important? Instead of a gap up opening on Thursday, so from Tuesday to Thursday, the market opened on a negative 400, which is a total gap down. So it opened at 38,800. Now the moment it has a gap down opening, these people who had holding position on Tuesday, it is them who drove the early markets. So they picked up the market in the first 45 minutes. They were driving the market purely because they had to exit at a profitable price. Now here is a picture of what happened on the 30th of August and on the 31st of August. So on the 30th, which was on Tuesday, while the Indian markets had a plus 1,200 closing, on that same day, Dow Jones closed at minus 300 points. So if the market was open on Wednesday, which is on the Ganpati day, then the Indian markets definitely would have opened in a negative or neutral, not a gap up. However, then on Wednesday again, while the Indian markets were closed, again Dow Jones closed at minus 280. So if we take these two together, Tuesday, Wednesday together, Dow Jones closed minus 500 plus 500 600 in that range. So that simply meant that on Thursday, when the Indian markets will open, it will not be a gap up as expected by the big players. It would be because of the minus 500 closing of Dow Jones for Tuesday and Wednesday. It was expected that on Thursday, the Indian markets would open on a gap down, no doubt in that. And that is exactly what happened when the markets opened on Thursday. This was 39,400 was an option which I was in trade in on Tuesday. So this one on Monday there was nothing to it. On Tuesday this one went from 40, it went from 40, it closed, it touched 350 and closed just below 300. Now I booked my profits and I came out, but I'm quite sure there were quite a lot of people who were holding their position over here, expecting it to go open up on a positive 500 or 600 today. Instead, with the gap down, this fell all the way from 280, it fell down to close to 25, which is a huge loss. So these were the people who were driving. They pulled the market all the way to 350, which was the peak of Tuesday. It was pulled up over here till 350. All the positions were exited. Above 300, all positions were exited. Once the positions were all exited, that's when the market came down. So my question was, why did the market move up so early today? What was the tearing hurry to shoot up when they had the entire day in front of them to shoot up? Very simple. These people who were holding position on Tuesday wanted to exit on a profit. They pulled the market up, booked their profits, left the market. Remaining day was managed by retail traders. Whether they book profit or don't book profit, it doesn't matter. That's what happened today. And this is very interesting. And people who trade in the market need to understand what happened and why it happened. This is something one needs to anticipate for the future. That's my understanding.